Hi guys, it's Erik-Weisz with a new lockpicking video. The lock I have today is another French one, which is quite interesting. It's a Vachette V-DIS Plus, and as you can see from the keyway and from the key, it's a dimple lock with 6 pins. And in addition, it has 4 sliders that are controlled by this groove in the key here, and they are arranged on top of the keyway so that we have 10 locking elements in total. But now, without further ado, let's put this thing in a vise and see what it takes to pick it open. Alright, the V-DIS Plus is now in the vise. Here's the key again. Works nicely. And for tensioning, I use this special tensioner. And for picking the main stack, I use the Multipick G-Pro number 8. And start from the beginning. Number 1 is loose, 2 is binding a bit, 3 is binding heavily, 4 is binding. Nice click from that one. 5 and 6. 5 and 6. 1 is binding now. 2 is loose. 3 is binding again. 4 is binding again. Let's check the first 2 again. Feels good. Now number 5 is binding. Also number 6. All feels quite loose now, I think. There we have a nice full set. Now we can go to the sliders, and therefore I use the G-Pro number 10. Number 1 is loose, 2 is binding. Nice click from that one. 1 is still loose, 2 is now also loose, 3 is binding. 4, 3 again. And maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. I increase tension a bit. Number 3 is always a bit binding. And there we go. All right. Then let's have a look what's inside. To be honest, I have never gutted this one before. So maybe there will be some surprises, I don't know. Let's see. First, let's close it up again. And I think the first thing to do is taking a pinning tray and then removing those clips with these pliers. There are 2 of them. One. It's not enough yet. There we go. That's the first one. And there's another one here. It's also not yet sufficient. There's a bit of rust. Good opportunity to clean up that later. So now let's see if this comes out. That's one part from the back. And maybe let's take some tweezers. Let's see if we can remove something from here. Maybe inserting the key will help. Let's see. Don't know. Okay. Pushed out a bit. Hope it will not cause any problems later on. Okay. Let's cam. Maybe I should use a shim or a hollow follower maybe. Yeah, this should work, I think. Okay, then let's hope the best. Seems to work. And let's put it in a core holder for now. And here is the sidebar. Let's turn it this way. So first thing to remove is the sidebar. And there are some small springs, of course. One and two. And then let's see what's next. Maybe the pins from the main stack. That's number one. Number two. An interesting shape. Number three. 4, 5, and 6. Right, then I don't know how to remove these sliders here. You can see them, but I think it should be possible to remove the key now. And then let's see if we can get them out without jumping around. I think this looks good. That's number one. 2 with its spring. Three. And number 4. There we go. And we should have 3 more springs. Number 1. And these are the other 2, or is it only 1? I don't know. No, it's only 1. And 1 more. And there we go. So, this is the core. Otherwise, nothing special about it. No countermilling or so. And let's have a look at the key pins. Maybe change the follower for now. Oops. Number 1 is a double spool. 2 is standard. 3 is standard. 4 is also standard. 5 is also standard. And 6 is also standard, I guess. No, it's tapered, I think. Interesting. All right, then we have some more springs. Let's arrange that a bit. Upsala. right, and this is the housing. Otherwise, nothing special about it. And on the top, there's the groove for the sidebar, and of course the chambers for the main stack. And there's some snap protection. Yeah, and let me give you a close-up of all the pins and so on. Here we are. As you can see, there's no mastering going on, and in terms of security pins, it's only this double spool in position 1. Otherwise, well, quite simple for having having 10 locking locking elements. Okay, sorry. Yeah, that's about all about this V-DIS Plus. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time. Bye bye.